Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I just wanted to buy some meme coins, so this is not going to be any tutorial directly, but just show you how to use the phone to buy meme coins on Radix. So you go to enthusiast.com, easy, press the button up on the right, top right, and connect your wallet. So you open the Radix wallet and you confirm. That's all you need to do. So then you can go back to your browser and you're logged in. So now I can buy anything I want. But to show you how to navigate around, let's go to, let's see here, the front page. Here you can see some top gainers, no more monkeys flying. I don't know what that is, let's check it out. Well, it's not flying anymore, it's kind of going down for the last day, but it had a nice run. Well, let's see how it looks on the hourly. Well, it could be a good buy actually. Why not? Let's buy some. So here you can enter how much Radix you want to buy for. Let's buy for 175. Swap tokens, open. And here you have to swipe to the right to sign it in your wallet. And then you press your password and that's it. Let's go. Now it's bought. You go back to the page, also swap, and look. I have myself some more memes. Easy as that. Let's go back and see what else is trending today. Let's go into the top gainers. Can we see what's in there? What's going down? What's going up? Can I see more of them? I don't know. I'm not used to the phone that much actually. Let's see here. Tools. Nope. I'm not really familiar with how to use it on the phone, to be honest. Like, I know that you can swap if you have the contract address, but I don't know how to search for new meme coins. Let's see if we can find anything. Go to the front page. This is the highlights. Remove the highlights. Oh, we got some over here. This is the top tokens maybe. Yeah, looks like the top tokens. Then you can scroll through them. It's good to buy the top tokens and the top trending. What are we gonna buy today? I know Shug has been going up a lot lately. Like, what is that? That is the 7 days PNL. It's been going up a lot, but like, it's never too late to buy on Radix. Everything is cheap. Let's buy some more. Let's go. 175 on this one too. Open the wallet. Scroll down. Sign transaction. Enter your password. And there you go. Now we have swapped that too. So it's that easy, guys. It's really, really easy. You should go every day in and check what's trending and buy some of that coins. Like, what is Weft Finance? It's going up, so why not buy it? Oh, look at that chart, man. Let's see it on the daily. Jesus Christ. I have to buy some of this. 175, let's go. Swap, open. Scroll down, slide to the right. Enter passcode, let's go. Done. It's that easy, guys. That's what you need to do. Go in, look. Now, I'm not doing my research, to be honest. I'm just gambling. Because if you see it like lottery tickets, then you won't be sad if it goes to zero. But if it goes up and if it goes to the millions, well, you will be very, very happy. What is this? I like the picture. Crypto Conan. Let's buy some Crypto Conan. How is it looking on the daily? Jesus Christ. Let's go. Let's go. 175 on that one too. Swap, open, go scroll down in your wallet, swap to the right to sign, and that's it. So that's how you buy meme coins, guys. Let's check my portfolio. Wow, Whoa, that looks really, really nice, guys. Damn, I bought like $20, $22 worth of just a chill guy. It's almost doubled already. Damn, I feel the FOMO already. Jesus Christ. Well, guys, I might do some more shopping later, but I will do some more research into what coins I'm going to add more money into. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Take care and have a nice day.